Have you ever wondered how long you'll live? And more importantly, how healthy you'll be? Most people think it's luck or genes, a roll of the dice you can't control. But science says it's something you can test right now, at home, without any fancy equipment. The future of your health isn't a mystery locked away in your DNA. It's being written by your daily habits today. These 5 signs are backed by solid research and can tell us more about your long-term wellness than your doctor might in a standard checkup. They are powerful indicators of your potential to live a long, healthy life. Let's dive in. And by the end of this video, you'll know exactly where you stand, and more importantly, how to improve your score. Don't forget to grab your free at-home health checklist after the video. Our first sign, and arguably one of the most studied, is your walking speed. It sounds almost too simple, but how fast you walk is a powerful reflection of your full body health. It's not just about your legs, it's a symphony conducted by your heart, lungs, circulatory system, nervous system, and muscles all working together. A brisk pace means the whole orchestra is in tune. Consider 2 people in their late 40s. First, there's Ellie. She walks with purpose. She takes the stairs, easily keeps up with her kids at the park, and her friends know her as the fast walker in the group. Her pace is a sign of vitality. Then there's Gene. He's started to slow down. He looks for the closest parking spot, prefers the elevator, and long walks feel more like a chore than a pleasure. This slowdown isn't just about age. It's a quiet signal that his underlying systems are becoming less efficient. So let's test it. This is a key metric for longevity. Find a clear path in your home or a hallway. Measure out about 15 feet. Use your phone's stopwatch and time how long it takes you to walk that distance at your normal, comfortable pace. If it takes you 5 seconds or less, you're in great shape. If it's creeping towards 6 or 7 seconds, it's a yellow light, a sign to pay attention. If it's longer, it's a clear signal that now is the time to take action. Improving your walking speed has incredible benefits, reducing your risk for everything from heart disease to dementia. Start simple. Walk for 15 minutes a day and consciously try to walk a little faster for one of those minutes. Add another minute next week. Take the stairs, park farther away. Your pace is your power. The second sign is the strength of your social connections. This isn't a soft, feel-good idea. It's hard science. Chronic loneliness can be as damaging to your long-term health as smoking 15 cigarettes a day. Humans are wired for connection. When we have it, our bodies relax, our stress hormones decrease, and our immune systems function better. When we don't, our bodies stay in a constant, low-grade state of fight or flight, which wears us down over decades. Think about Evelyn, who's 52. She's in a book club, has a weekly phone call with her sister, and volunteers at the local animal shelter. She feels like she belongs, that people count on her. Her social web is a powerful buffer against stress and a key component of healthy aging. Contrast that with Leo, who is the same age. He comes home from work, turns on the TV, and rarely sees friends. His main interactions are transactional, at the grocery store or the gas station. He feels isolated, and that loneliness is quietly eroding his physical and mental resilience. Do a quick self-check. Ask yourself, did I have a meaningful, non-work-related conversation with someone yesterday? Am I part of any group, a team, a club, a church, a volunteer organization, where I feel a sense of belonging? If the answer is no, don't feel shame. See it as a biological signal. Just like hunger or thirst. Your body is telling you it needs connection. The fix can be simple. Call a friend you haven't spoken to in a while. Invite a neighbor for a cup of coffee. Join an online community for a hobby you love. Volunteer for a cause you believe in. Each small act of connection rebuilds that protective web, paving the way for a longer, healthier future. Sign number 3 is your sense of balance. Balance isn't just about not falling over. It's a direct indicator of the health of your central nervous system. It requires a seamless connection between your brain, your inner ear, your eyes, and the tiny receptors in your muscles and joints. When your balance is good, it means that entire communication network is sharp and responsive. Let's look at Sharon. She's 55 and started practicing Tai Chi twice a week. She feels stable on her feet, whether she's walking on an uneven trail or reaching for something on a high shelf. Her good balance gives her confidence and physical freedom. Then there's Ralph, who is 58. After a minor slip last year, he's become fearful. He holds on to furniture as he walks through his house and avoids any activity where he might lose his footing. His world is shrinking because his balance is declining, which dramatically increases his risk of a serious fall later in life, a primary reason older adults lose their independence. Here's your at-home test. Stand near a wall or counter for safety. Lift one foot off the ground about 6 inches and hold it. Time how long you can stand without wobbling or putting your foot down. Try to hold it for at least 20 to 30 seconds. If you struggle to make it to 10 seconds, it's a sign your brain-body synergy needs a tune-up. Poor balance can signal a decline in muscle strength and proprioception. The good news is that balance is a use it or lose it skill. You can train it daily. Try standing on one leg while you brush your teeth. Practice walking heel to toe down a hallway like you're on a tightrope. Simple yoga or Tai Chi routines are fantastic for this. Strengthening your balance is an investment in your future freedom and independence. Our fourth sign is your mental sharpness. We often focus on physical health, but your brain is the command center for everything. Keeping it fit is arguably the most critical factor in maintaining your quality of life as you age. Cognitive health isn't just about remembering names. It's about your ability to solve problems, adapt to change, and stay engaged with the world. Consider Harold, age 60. He's actively learning Spanish with a language app, plays chess with his son, and loves reading books on topics he knows nothing about. He is constantly creating new neural pathways, making his brain more resilient and flexible. Now think of Doris, 62. She feels like her world is getting more confusing. She sticks to the same routines, avoids learning new technology, and has started to retreat from challenging conversations. Her brain isn't being exercised, and just like an unused muscle, it's slowly losing its strength and flexibility. Let's do a quick cognitive challenge. For the next 60 seconds, name as many fruits as you can, aim for 10. Now try writing your signature with your non-dominant hand. Awkward? That awkwardness is your brain forming new connections. Mental sharpness matters. It supports independence, stress resilience, and joy in life. You don't need a PhD to stay sharp. Do novel, challenging activities, learn a skill, read something hard, teach someone, play strategy games. A fit brain is key to a long, vibrant life. Now, the fifth sign you'll live a long, healthy life is sleep quality. Many treat sleep like a luxury or conquer it with caffeine. Big mistake. Sleep is active healing. In deep sleep, your body repairs cells, your immune system resets, and your brain clears waste. Look at Carmen and Hank. Carmen, 45, protects her sleep. Same bedtime, cool, dark room, no screens before bed. She wakes up refreshed and energetic. Hank, 48, is the opposite. Late laptop use, afternoon coffee, TV to sleep. He wakes groggy and foggy. His bad sleep stresses his body and speeds up aging. Check in with yourself. Can you fall asleep within 30 minutes? Do you stay asleep? Do you wake up refreshed? If not, your sleep hygiene needs work. Poor sleep links to weight gain, diabetes, heart disease, and cognitive decline. Start simple. Keep a consistent sleep schedule, even weekends. Make your room a cool, dark, quiet retreat. Avoid caffeine after noon. Still struggling? Talk to your doctor. Sleep is non-negotiable for longevity. If something today made you pause, that's good. That pause is the first step toward powerful change. You don't have to fix everything. Just start with one habit from one of the 5 areas. Pick the one that hit home and take a step today. This isn't just about adding years, it's about adding life to your years. Download our free at-home health checklist below. For more science-backed tips, join the Shrewd Senior Health community. And before you go, tell us in the comments which of the 5 signs surprised you most. Finally, subscribe and hit the bell so you don't miss our next video on boosting your health.